welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ara Lazarte, your corporate girlie working in BGC. So today, RTO tayo and today is November 13, 2025 and may practice lang kami for our year-end party na sayaw and sama ko kayo guys. So let's go. Punta na tayo ngayon sa 23rd floor para mag-practice. Sama ko kayo ngayon sa aming first practice for our year-end party. Actually, it's an intermission dance. So, tara guys. Paskong Pinoy. So, we're here. We're just waiting for the other. One thing that I love the most here about our office is tanaw mo lahat. I mean, tanaw mo yung BGC. So that is this. So yan yung 3D screen dun sa High Street. And then dito naman yung alam ko part to ng St. Luke's. Kasi tagig pa din siya. Nice, right? So we're just waiting for the others to come in. It's already 1 p.m. It's just me and myself.
Yun lang. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1.
We're going out to have a dinner. Our mission for today ay...
May kumuha daw sa sa balising.
Hindi. Ako kinuha ko, te. Tapos, lipat din kami ng robe. Hindi ko na ano.
Tingnan natin. Hi guys, update. Nakita na po yung jacket.
Nagunya lang nag-isip si ate na ano. Nagunya mo.
Guys, nakita na namin. Mission complete.
Ako talaga yung kumuha.
Dahil dala ko na lang, maiiwan naman sa tropical hut. Paalala niyo ate, mainit kasi.
Alam mo,
May comment pa nun.
malalaman mo lang na nawawala na isang bagay. Pag hinanap mo na, punta na kami guys sa Tropical Hut. It's my first time na mapupunta doon. We are now here at Tropical Hut that is open for 24 hours. Wow! Ang cute! Yumhoo! Wow, first time ko dito. Thank you po. Ito yung mga menu nila.
Hindi pa, hindi ko walang yun eh. Walang tiyan.
One a day.
Ang dami kong tsara kayo.
Hindi, akin rin pineapple.
Sprite. Thank you po. Wow. This is my order. Spaghetti, chicken, rice, fries.
Let's eat. Na-reimburse natin.
Tinidor po. Ba? Tinidor.
Sino ba yung mali? Kailan?
Wait, minali ka na ba?
Hindi ko pa nare-review ulit.
It calls me. Wow, ang ganda. No. Island seems so happy. Wow, ang cute ng princess. Siguro dito yung para magbibihis yung mga bata as a princess. Here in Mad Marks. And we ordered their classic barbecue ribs and country style ribs. And ice cream.
Garlic rice. Mashed potato po.
Thank you. Let's eat, guys. So good, guys. We're going to practice. It's raining. Ooh. 105. Suha.
Isa pa.
At Boston, we got pasalubong from Ating Hong Kong in Apollo. Ta-da! Super cutie. Yes, for the vlog. Vlog, guys. Vlog! Say hi to my vlog. Pa. Lawoy. Yes.
Kaya nakuha.
Yes. We are going to try this hot pot. We will get some enoki mushrooms. Mga two. We'll get this Chinese cabbage. Siguro mga isa lang.
At ito ba? At ito.
We'll also get some lotus roots. Sa tingin mo, magkano na yan, sis? Ate Melly, sa tingin mo, magkano na yan?
Ito pala may cheese. Petit kasi ako. Mas na ito may cheese. Yan.
Ate Jess, sa tingin mo, magkano na yan?
320.
Uwa! 320.
Iba-iba naman yun. Malay na noodles mo.
Ito, duck. Mushrooms. We'll get some shrimp. You're getting some beef.
Bep, bep.
Ako din, gigit din ako ng... Masarap ba yung pork neck? Siguro mga 500 na yan. Ate Jess.
Kasi kapag nga ako pa ng beef.
Yeah, ang beef. Itong instant. Get na lang ako ng spinach noodles. Charan! We'll get more.
Alin talaga yung may cheese or hindi.
True. Titingnan natin kung ano yung cheese dyan. Meron. Sa tingin mo, kuya, magkano na po yan?
170.
What? Hindi ko alam kung magkano na yung akin. Sa'yo, ate.
300.
Pili ko mga 450. 220.
Card payment.
Yes po.
Spicy level.
Slightly lang po. How much po? 270. Mine is only 278 pesos. So yeah. We'll get some sauce. So we will get some sesame sauce. Let's get some scallion. Chili oil. Konti lang. Yan lang. Try lang. Magkano yung sa'yo kanina po yun?
332.
Sa'yo ate?
360.
Milaine, magkano yung sa'yo kanina?
290.
Eh. Ay. Super loud. Ate, it's your time.
370.
Sa'yo ate Jess.
Ay, 290.
Si Melay, magkano po yung sa'yo? Grabe! We will now get our order. Yay! Thank you po. We already got our orders. Wow! Ang sarap ng sabaw. Super. So good. We'll get our free ice cream. Ate. Atid ka namin, ate. Mamimili tayo ng anything that is green. Inipit green. Only 59 pesos. Chips Delight. Stripe cappuccino. Basta all green. We going up. Let's go for the drinks. Ano kaya maganda? We also get this melon cucumber. Taran. All I want for Christmas is Kinder Joy. Ate Annie, this is your sign. Go get that quadrini loca.
Kaya yung mini, ate. Para, natikman ko na to. Oo nga, yan.
Taran! This is all what we got. There's a lot of chocolate. Let's check this out. Let's go. Para bang pinanganak na lang talaga si bakla para maligaw.
For the weekend, for good. Office job.
Yeah. Shivery.
Mag-minutes tapos magbili tayo ng ano.
Nung pero walang Harry Potter yan, ate.
Oh my God, it's so good.
Mga ano lang.
Unang laman ng ating mystery box ay, how did you know that I love cucumber juice?
Tinawag lang ako ng cucumber, kaya yun yung kinuha
Kasi
ko.
green. Yeah, thank you. Siyempre, hindi mo... Puro green! Wala akong bigay sa
Uy, ate, okay lang.
And this one I love. Ihihit! Pero hindi ka pagpapalit.
We are now in Shibuli, Pajan Kimbap. So we ordered meats and they also have side dishes like lettuce, japchae, kimbap, and everything. Point sa Orani na tayo naglalakad. Ay, sa Balanga pala. And we're here in Glorieta.
Sa Gedli.
Bye, ate! See you again soon! This way to the Iris tour.
Ano po sa list?
Saan po nilalagay?
Din po sa...
Thank you so much po. Nabahala sa amin. Thank you. There is one for VIP. The Iris tour. The food, you can get some popcorn, some cookies. Rosé.
Ano na next? Sombrero.
Buffet. Let's go.